This time we will check a Mosfet as a switch. The principle is about the same as it is with the bipolar junction transistor. First of all, I have already picked up one logic gate. You can see the type there. And I have a pulse source, and if you want to see the parameters, you can see those parameters which I'm using here if you want to use the same ones. I made this ready because I want to go straight to the point. So I'm checking now the input and the output, which was pin number 2 of my circuit, and I want to see that, well, here you can see the result. The output is not able to go any higher than about 4 volts. Sometimes you need more if you want to control a 12-volt motor or 12-volt LED lamp or something like that. That can be organized, but you cannot drag more from a logic circuit because it's designed to handle voltages from 0 to 5. Instead, we will pick up a Mosfet as a switch, and I am picking up the one that we have in our lab. You can choose, of course, other type if you want to, but I'm picking up the type that we have in our lab, so you can simulate it first and then you can do that with the real components. So this MOSFET has to be suitable. It has to be something that which can be switched on and off with 0 and 5 volts, otherwise it's not the right one for these purposes. But I know that this MOSFET is the right component for this, and I will prove it to you soon. But of course, again, I need a power source. You cannot generate power from nothing, and I will give it a value 12 volts, and I will connect it to my circuit and adding ground, and then my circuit is ready. Now the input pin is number 1 and the output is number 4. I can do the analysis again. Of course, I have to change the number to correspond to my new circuit, and you can see that the output is able to go up to 12 volts. And this doesn't change even if I am making the resistor smaller. So by making the resistor smaller, I'm dragging more current, but that's not a problem for the MOSFET, and I can prove it to you with microcap. So instead of 1 kilo, I now apply 100 ohms, which is 10 times smaller, or 1/10 of the original value, and you can see that that's not a problem for MOSFET. Again, the output is able to rise up to 12 volts. So this is the way you use MOSFET as a switch.